In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Asana Standup Meeting Project. Step by step. We'll start by setting up your Asana project so you have a simple, reliable home for daily updates. Open Asana, click the plus icon, and create a new project. You can choose blank project for full control, or pick a template like daily stand-up or meeting agenda if you want a head start. Give your project a clear, recognizable name, such as daily stand-up, so it's easy for everyone to find. Next, create 3 sections: to do, in progress, and completed. These sections make status changes visual and fast. Finally, invite your team members to the project. When everyone has access, updates stay transparent and nothing gets lost in chat threads or inboxes. Before the meeting, set expectations so the stand-up stays short and useful. Define the goal. This is a quick sync to align work and surface blockers, not a full planning session. Pick a consistent time each day and stick to it. Consistency builds habits and accountability. If your team spans time zones, choose a time that's reasonably fair for everyone, so participation stays high. A shared calendar invite and a brief agenda in the project description can help people come prepared. During the meeting, go person by person and have each teammate answer 3 questions. What did you do yesterday? What will you work on today? Do you have any obstacles? Keep answers crisp and relevant to the project. Aim to wrap the entire meeting in under 15 minutes to maintain energy and focus. The project lead or whoever is facilitating should keep the flow moving, making sure everyone answers the 3 questions without the conversation drifting. If a topic needs deeper discussion, note it and handle it right after the stand-up with only the people involved. This keeps the stand-up efficient while still respecting important issues. After the meeting, translate talk into action inside Asana. Have team members move tasks to the right section, like shifting items from to-do to in progress, and add any new blockers in the task description or comments so they're visible and trackable. Create new tasks for any action items that emerge, assign clear owners, and set realistic due dates to keep momentum. To close the loop, review the project board or switch to timeline view for a visual snapshot of progress and workload. This quick review helps you spot bottlenecks, rebalance priorities, and confirm that today's plan lines up with your goals. Repeat this routine daily, and your stand-ups will stay focused, fast, and genuinely helpful.